Zing, 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 zing.
Barikiri, another day, another vlog. Hey guys, how are you doing?
Is there this world, man? God, I beg. I don't want to be a mechanic. I want to be a baller.
Yeah, Bill Gates. Because ngeke ngale mali. Ngeke sinamanthana I would say with the pimple, the rush. It's something that rich people don't get, you know? Because they see dermatologists every now and then. And then there's us. And then it. Out of 10. Very fast of it. How oily. Sauce. Batong. Bigla ipanoro irang. It's not giving. What? Rate out of 10. I'd give it a 7. 7 out of 10. My baby soup. I'm about to tell. That's all my God means. Out of 10? 5. That's my means. Harap, sorry, okay. We are ballers.
Jet Official Beats.
They throwing dirt on my name. Only gets worse when you're not there. You don't see the
This so nice, man. I want this now.
Fight for feel like you're the desire. Keep you in the front, never on the back, never on the side. You a real nice woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight it.
It's giving me old. One of this pink trash thingy. If this was pink, man. I hate the trash. Why no or level thing? Yeah, keep it on like this. Ashumu twarengi record. Content creator and stuff. What that one? Tired and stuff.
Do I look like a little boy? Yes, I do. Let me do this to my hair, guys. I look like a little boy when my hair is down. So yeah, let me get my hair up and then I'll be back. I don't know why I feel like I look better when my hair is up than when it's down. But anyway, it's my room mess. That's nothing new, baby. So I'm in a seminar right now. Let me show you guys. In my seminar. Anyway, so if you guys can hear anything from the background, that's because that's a seminar. Look at the ghetto. Anyway, so I'm just here to give you guys a little haul of the things that I got earlier because I was at the mall. The person who's supposed to be vlogging this video was Tsala, and her job, let's give her a 3 out of 10 because she tried. And by the way, the other things that you guys saw before this part was all me. She didn't really do much, but I'm grateful. Thank you, baby. So things that I got, number one was this water. I got water because I ran out of my water. And then we went to Clicks. We didn't really get much at Clicks. I got the pure soap. I remember telling you guys about this on my previous vlog. Not previous vlog, but I think the first video of Vlogtober. I was telling you guys about these soaps. I use these soaps on my face and my genitals because they have no fragrance and no color, what. And then we got Paneros. Ooh, child, I don't know how to focus, but it's Panero pills. Then we got cold drinks and that, but anyway, that's not important. And then we went to ShopRite to basically buy basic groceries that I buy on a normal or on a daily. I bought oats, sugar, coffee, raisins, peanut butter, bread, creamer, instant porridge, jam. We're trying out a new jam. It's called Danish Choice Apricot Dessert and whatever that is. Why are people leaving? Is it over? People are leaving the meeting. Is it over? Because there were 100 and something people, now it's saying 21. Guys, people are oh my god, is it over? Shit, let me go walk and delete from hers because wow. Wait, the meeting is over. Lone is still here. But Kagiso left and she was hosting, so the meeting is over. But I was listening. You guys heard I was listening. It says 15 people now. Okay, now Lone is gone. I guess this is my cue to leave as well. Let me go get Magdalene out of this meeting as well. I'll be right back. But guys, how is this meeting ending without me hearing anything? Because I didn't hear that part. They're not thank. They didn't thank us, did they? I don't remember that, but anyway. We got oranges. What else? Whisper to me, baby, hold me tight. You kidding? I got my shoes. Is it safe to talk? To do what? I won't judge and stuff. I got my shoes. I give out the hoodie singer because in case I'm going to return them with the receipt. Emma, give out the whole like kiss us sing so you can see properly. Nama kutile hela ke bana batho ba tswa mo meeting ke lebelletse ke botsa go ira hala eng ka nte batho ba tswa nna ke tlo wait later. I didn't hear anything. Guys, really subscribers time. Guys, about these shoes for my duty at the legal clinic. It's giving aesthetic girls worldwide. Woo! Magdalene. Hey, you are my subscribers. You want to come say hello to my subscribers? When you are, how do you think my hair? I can't do anything and stuff. Small job, that's all right. Guys, literally, it's giving slim girls worldwide. It's giving Michael Jackson. It's giving. Nadine, thought goodbye. Nadine doesn't want to come to the camera and say goodbye.
Bye guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys, please like, comment and subscribe. See ya.
It's giving Titi the burb.